Today I have a keyboard that put the B, the U, the D, the G, the E, and the T in budget keyboards. What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day, and today I have the Xisoguu budget mechanical keyboard. Picked this thing up on Amazon.com for, guess how much? $19.99. Now you're not gonna believe these specs for the price that you're paying for this thing. This is a tri-mode mechanical keyboard. So you can use it wirelessly, both with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, or you can use it via Bluetooth and you connect up to 3 devices, and you can use it wired. This is a 65% layout. They're calling it a 61%, but it has 68 keys. It's fully hot swappable. It comes with red switches. It looks like they're Odomu switches. And it's hot swappable with 3 or 5 pin switches. To get that kind of compatibility in a $20 keyboard, that's insanity to me. There are no kick up feet on this keyboard, but it does sit at a nice angle, and you get a little storage space right here for your USB dongle, so that way you won't lose it. Just make sure you put it in the right way, because I put it in a different way and it fell right out, but it's snug as a bug in a rug right now. This keyboard does have lighting effects. It doesn't have RGB, but that's fine, and you can change the lighting patterns. Check this out. So what do they give you in the box? They give you the keyboard, of course. You also get a bag full of goodies with your USB cable, a keycap and switch puller, and they give you 3 blue switches. I picked up the one with the red switches, but I guess they give you 3 blue switches just so you can see how Clicky Gang is living. I didn't test them out because I'm not down with Clicky Gang. Now, I will admit, when I picked this up, the box did look oddly familiar to me. I have another keyboard in my collection that goes by the K68. The box looks almost the same, except for with different branding, and I plan on reviewing that keyboard on the channel. The only difference is the name brand and the color scheme, but it's pretty much the same keyboard. So they must be getting this from some kind of OEM company. It's still just blowing my mind how they can pack so much into this thing for only $19.99. And listen to how good these stabilizers sound. Stabilizers are solid. You're not gonna have to do anything to them out of the box. Speaking of solid, this build quality, this thing is not moving. It feels solid. It might be due to the help of having a rechargeable battery in here, but this thing has got some weight to it, and it's definitely not hollow. So this is a finely built keyboard at such a cheap price. Unbelievable. Now the keycap quality on this thing, it's nothing to write home to mom and dad about. I mean, it's nothing very impressive. OEM layout, seem a little bit thin, but I think the thinness of the caps lend to the sound of this board when you're typing on it. Speaking of typing, check out this sound test. Man, this thing is punching way above its weight class for only $19.99. This would be a perfect keyboard for the person who is getting into the mechanical keyboard hobby for the very first time and they don't want to shell out a whole lot of money. You're getting a lot for $20 here. And especially even if you already own a mechanical keyboard and say you had a nice fancy one like a Ducky or whatever and it broke down on you and you're a little short on change right now, go and pick this bad boy up for only $20 and it'll tide you over until you can replace your Ducky, or you may not even want to replace your Ducky. On a rating scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, where would I put this amazing keyboard? I'm gonna have to put this thing at, dare I say it, 9 out of 10. I almost went there and said 10 out of 10 because I mean, you can't beat this for $19.99. I mean, the design is pretty nice. If you're a Boise State or Denver Broncos fan, you'll love this color scheme. But you can replace the keycaps, you can replace the switches with any kind of switch that you want, 3-pin or 5-pin. It just has everything that you need right out of the box, and it sounds great right out of the box. I mean, you can get this today, use it for a while, and be happy with it, and then somewhere down the line say, you know what, I want different switches. You know what, I want different keycaps. But you're not going to be disappointed with what you get out of the box for only $19.99. This is a steal. So if you like this video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. It's absolutely free, doesn't cost a thing. So go ahead and tap the subscribe button. And stay tuned because I got a lot more keyboards to review, and I'm also going to start reviewing trackballs on the channel as well because I got a slew of those too. So until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G.